Hello, everybody. Today we are showing off our cats. Before we get into it, please like and subscribe. It's gonna be amazing. Anyway, so this one, meet this one, this little one, this little guy, this little pudgy one is Lily. Say hi, Lily. Hi. The second one up here is Juju. She's such an adorable one. Say hi, Juju. Hi. All right. So this third one all the way down here is named Scully. She's such a cutie. And she wears a little skull necklace. And say hi, Scully. Hi. Anyways, this is the fourth one, Lofi. She's such a cutie. I think she's the cutest out of all of them. But drop your opinion in maybe the comments down below. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know if Mom's going to turn on the comments for this video. And this is Lofi. She has no arms or legs. I know that may seem weird, but she can fly. So at least that.
Nice. Let me see her fly.
Say hi, Lofi, too. Hi, Lofi, too. Aww. She's such a cutie. She also makes good jokes. Anyway, here is this one, the Siamese one. It's named Lisa, and this Siamese one down here is named Sam.
Okay.
And this little cutie up here is named Milo. That's Mr. Cat's way of saying meow. Anyway, so this is Milo. Say hi, Milo. Hi. Milo can also walk. Isn't she just so cute? All right, everybody.
Wait. There's one more you forgot.
Wait, which was the one? Lois. Say hi. Hi. Lois can glow. Let me show you. All right, so turn off all the lights in this room, Mom. At least the ones you can turn off. Actually, we can turn off these lights by just...
No.
Okay. Anyway, let me show you. So if we click on the moon, look at her. She lit up. She just adorable.
Yeah.
Say hi, Lois. Hi.
And what about what she does here?
Oh, she's a clock. She's also a clock.
You have to set her down.
She's a
set her down.
She's a clock. She's a clock too. Anyway, yeah. Bye, everybody. I hope everybody who's watching this is having a great day. Anyway, goodbye for this video.
You should say thank you to everybody who's gotten you your cat family.
Also,
do you remember everybody who
also,
got you your cats?
Yes. Also, thanks to my grandma and Sam. My mom, who's recording this right now, Santa Claus, and Ellie, which is one of my classmates.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. That's nice that everybody got you your...
All right, everybody, bye. And just as a reminder, make sure to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on life videos.